All right, this is the R Burgers. That's what R Burgers is right there, meat. So I'll start down here away from the music. There's a lot of music playing up there. So. Yeah. Oh, look at this. This is kind of neat. It's probably a fiberglass one, I'm sure, but this looks, I don't think I've seen a Speedster replica with wide wheels like that before us. So we got some music around here, so I'll probably Corvair. How about that? Air-cooled meat. So we got a couple Volkswagens down here we'll look at, and then we'll go over. We'll probably have to switch to some music or something, or I'll reverse it. So you guys wonder, why do I reverse it? It's because it's music backwards doesn't get flagged by YouTube yet. Well, that's a really nice looking Squareback right there. It's got the, I guess there's two different versions of the 2-liter alloy. I think that's what that is. I don't really recall. My 2 liters were the 4-spoke ones I had. And then they have these here. Cool. It's a nice looking Square. I don't know what year it is. It's earlier. Nah, maybe. Was the early ones bullet, and then they changed a little bit later, and then they got really funky and square in the front. I can't remember, so I'm not really big on them as far as knowing what they are. I love them, but you got to really love a Squareback because you're not gonna get your money back when you build one of these. Got a Mr. Patina out here, daily driver looks like. Probably was for a while for somebody. Can't afford to restore it, you might as well just drive it the way it is, right? Oh, it's not original paint. It's kind of neat. Just drive it the way it is. We got Robert's bus. This is the one that drove through a fence on this side. And it was really scratched, and we just kind of, it looked like that everywhere. So we matched it up a little bit, painted all the spots to make it look not too bad. There's a video on that on the channel if you want to see it. This one here, this one's a really nice Squareback. This just got done. In-N-Out Burger.
Literally, I mean, the email for all of them, we're down a group email and it says all you have to do is
Swan's Glow Light.
and it actually says October 31st.
And the Moreno Valley Twins. These guys were big in the El Prado scene. Help them keep that show going. Yeah, primer bug with a standoff. Painted bug. Shooting into the sun. Sorry guys, nothing I can do. Tell the sun to move.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
I've been just having too much fun driving this thing to film. I'm going to bring you guys along for this part. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the show. It was a lot of fun, as always, taking this thing out. I was wondering how too far to go. To drive it too far on the freeway, it's just always a little scary, but it's all right. I mean, you just don't want to break down, and that's the main thing. And you know, if it wasn't so heavy and so not the heaviness, really the width of it, if it just fit on a regular tow truck, then I wouldn't be as worried about it. But we didn't care. It just takes a long time to get there. Going pretty slow. All right, talk to you next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.